online. So as you can see here, blogger also can pay rate the amount of 100 up to 2,000 per month. So some big bloggers who are always publishing their content and who are having the niche which is enough, so are earning more money, are making much money online. So you can also start blogging and make more money online today. If you want to be blogger, also you need to plan your content and you need to choose whether you will target your audience. So you need to select the audiences you target to deliver your contents, and you need to know whether you have all the required tools. As you can see here, you need a computer, also you need internet connection. So you need internet connection that will be always available, and you need to be connected to the computer. You need it to be also consistent in typing and blogging. So when you have a large niche, you are going to earn more money on by blogging. So the second way that you can use to make more money now online is to start your virtual assistant. So once you start your virtual assistant, you can make more money than you think. So virtual assistant, mostly virtual assistant, when you say virtual assistant, I said work that you go online and assist other people. For instance, maybe it's about solving some problems, or maybe it's about counseling online virtually without being with someone directly. Also you go online and help people to solve certain circumstances. So the virtual assistants can pay rate from 12 USD up to 30 per hour. So suppose that you are going to get paid 12 USD, or you are going to get paid 30 USD per hour. So if you take, for instance, if you are going to work like 7 hours, so now you are going to earn more money on your work, so by assisting on virtually. So the next one you can need also, you need to do is you need to proofread. Also proofreading is another online work that can pay you much amount of money. So proofreading means you go there and make a review for some books, for some written materials, and make sure that those books may not be considering some mistakes. So you are going there and correcting the mistakes that are there, and you make like a evaluation to see whether all these written materials are correct. So you need some tools required, like a computer. Also you may need a computer also to proofread, because you're going to proofread online. You need internet connection, means you need to get connected to the internet, so as you proofread virtually. So you can find this kind of jobs on Upwork, Monster, Freelancer. Also this job can pay you the rate of just 12 up to 50 per hour. So imagine now if you are going to work 5 hours now, or 10 hours a day, you are going to make around 50. So you are going to make around 250 USD a day. So I mean, it's too much, and you can be making more money if you decide to make more money within a week. So now you can also choose to start your work by working online, and you can be freelancer later. So freelancer later means the one who is going to write by freelancing. So you are going to search for freelancing job online which are requiring to be written. So you get there and the rate. So and this job can be paying the rate between 15 and 100 per hour. So if you get paid, for example, 100 per hour, you are going to earn like so 10 hours, so 1,000 USD a day. So I mean, this freelancing job can be paying well if you decide to do freelancing. So What you need to do, you need to have a skills that will require you will be required in writing, and you need to be consistent, and you need to have these tools, computer, internet connection. So not only this, also the fifth one you can use, you can choose to be data entry work. So some workers or some jobs online may be requiring data entry workers. So you need to find out these jobs and start working on these jobs, so they can pay rate between 10 USD and 20 USD per hour. So means you are going to earn more money if you choose to do this. Also, tools required may be computer and internet connection also must be there, so as you can start your data entry job. So the next one, which you can choose to do is social media manager. Social media manager is another job which can be paid in high amount for you. So now maybe it can start paying you 15 and 50 USD per hour. So this is much amount if you decide to do this job. So you need to have a computer and internet connection, so you can do this, so you can start working on this job. So number 7 that you can use today, you can also you can do transcriptionist. So this kind of job paid rate between 50 and 30 per hour. So total the tools required, you need to have a computer, internet connection, and headphones, so as you will be getting each and everything very well. So the next one you can be doing is remote bookkeeper. So you need to keep books remotely. So what you need to do, you need to have a computer, internet connection, and essential accounting skills that will be helping you to keep this book remotely. So this kind of job can be paying you the rate between 25 and 50 per hour. So this amount is high if you choose to do this kind of job. So the next one that you can decide to do now online and make much money is online music teacher. So some people need to study music and they don't have teachers. So if you are skilled in music and if you are interested in teaching music, you can find this job online by going to those sites that can deliver music. You can also create your own site to teach music, and this job can pay you between 10 and 50 per hour. So tools required is a computer, webcam, internet. So you need a webcam, so will be displaying your video while teaching music. Maybe you are listening. You need connection, you need the headphones, and you need a musical instrument, maybe piano or guitar. It all depend on the kind of music you are going to teach your students. So you are going to get paid by teaching music to the students online. So the next one that you can do now today and make money, so is to be website tester. So website tester, yeah, you mean that you are the one who is going to be testing other websites to make sure that websites are working well, to be sure that website speeds are functioning well, and you may need to go there and to analyze whether the website are loading. So you need to find out whether the website having enough contents, and you need to be checking all the requirements that website must have in order to function well. So now this kind of job can be paying you the rate between 50 and 25 per hour. So the tools required is a computer, internet connection, smartphone, and webcam. So now the last one that you can do, as we have prepared in this video, you can choose to be website developer. So being website developer now is another big kind of job that can be paying you high amount. So now what you need to do is you need to have a computer and internet connection, and you need to have the skills to design and develop website very well. If you are having those skills, you are going to develop very well and earn more money. So you can start earning from US 30 and 250 per hour. So this is a high amount if you choose to do this kind of job. So if you are interested to do this job, what you need to do is to be online and go online by visiting some sites like Upwork, Lexi Jobs, Fiverr and others, and check whether these jobs are there. So you need to go there and create your account. Once you create the account, you are going to start accessing the job or post and choose the one which you need and qualify, so as you can start making this amount of money online. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in our comment section. Subscribe, like and share. So don't forget to turn the notification bell button so as you get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. Thank you for watching.